Hey there, tech fans! We're diving straight into the rumor mill with some sizzling leaks about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24, just ahead of the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event set for January 17, 2024. Buckle up, because this is shaping up to be an exciting ride. Now, here's the big scoop. There's a buzz in the air, as per Android headlines, that Samsung might be gearing up to revolutionize the update support for their brand new Galaxy flagships. The word on the street suggests they're considering extending it to an astonishing 7 years. While it's not set in stone yet, this 7-year support plan seems pretty darn plausible, especially when you consider that Google stepped up its game with a similar commitment for their Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro last year. It appears Samsung might be taking a page out of Google's playbook this time around. But that's not all, folks. Samsung seems to be taking some cues from Google's Pixel 8, particularly the generative AI features, now proudly labeled as Galaxy AI. Our first sneak peek in the gallery introduces us to the Magic Editor Clone, a nifty feature that's set to empower Samsung phones, including the much-anticipated Galaxy S24 series, to effortlessly shuffle, enlarge, or fine-tune objects in photos with the magic touch of Galaxy AI. The rendered images of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra are spilling the beans on the camera hardware details that have been making the rounds. However, here's the twist. There's a bit of a potential hiccup. The latest leak suggests that these shiny new AI functions on supported Galaxy phones will be on the house only until at least 2025. After that, there's a hint that some features might come with a price tag, although the specifics remain a tad hazy. This move could stir up some discussion among Samsung enthusiasts, especially when Google doesn't charge extra for its AI features. But hold on to your hats, because there's more. SamMobile's OnBlast has graciously shared a few official promo images with us. While they might not be the highest resolution, they serve as the official stamp of approval for other exciting features. Fasten your seatbelts and stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to the Galaxy Unpacked event. Thanks for joining us, tech aficionados. If you've enjoyed this tantalizing update, do us a solid, hit that like button, subscribe for a steady stream of heart-pounding content, and ring that notification bell so you're never left in the dark. We live for your support, and don't hold back. Share your thoughts and comments down below. We're all ears. Until next time, take care and stay absolutely awesome.